Alright, this is a Tabata session using track stand plus, okay, about 5 or 6 kilos. If you don't have one of these, you could use a small stool, a chair, something like that. Just make sure it's nice and sturdy, and when you place it down, it's not going to slip away, okay, because we're going to be stepping off it and doing push-ups on it and that sort of thing. Okay, so safety first, use something sturdy, 5 or 6 kilos, okay. Warm up before you start this session, 3 to 5 minutes, okay. We're going to start off from that, assuming you've done 3 to 5 minutes warm up. I'll show you the exercises, we'll run through each of those so you're familiar with it. I've then got a Tabata timer in the background. You can hit pause on the video once you know what the exercises are and then follow along the Tabatas. Okay, you can do 3 rounds, you can do 6 rounds, you can do 12, whatever, okay, however long you've got for this high intensity session. Tabata is essentially a structured timed format in the sort of high intensity interval training spectrum of exercise. Essentially utilises a timer to do 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds rest 8 times through, so that's 4 minutes of work per Tabata. We're going to do 3 Tabatas with varying numbers of exercises in them, and the idea of it is you give 100% effort on each 20-second interval. If you were doing push-ups, for example, you might do 20 in the first 20 seconds and you might only be doing 3 to 5 in the last, okay? That effort level and level of fatigue is what we're looking for in high intensity interval training. Okay, enough chat from me then. I'll show you the exercises and then we'll crack on with it. So for the first Tabata, I'm going to be doing single leg step ups. Nice sturdy base underneath you. I'm just going to step up like so, foot fully on the floor, heel down, and a few reps on the left hand side. So it'd be 20 seconds one side, 10 seconds rest, then 20 seconds on the other side. Okay, you can see why you need to be warmed up before you start doing this. So that's the first Tabata, just those 2. The second Tabata, after 30 seconds to a minute rest, is going to be split squats to begin with. So you're going to place one foot on the stand, one foot in front, and you're looking for getting your knee to a 90-degree angle, nice and low. That's a split squat. Okay, we're then going to do 20 seconds on the other leg. So do a few reps now. Okay, we're then going to move into incline push-ups. So you're going to hold the stand like so, press down so your chest is touching your hands. Okay, trying to keep a nice straight back. It's going to target your triceps and your back. Okay, and then we're going to go to an explosive squat. So you're going to touch your bum on the stand, and as soon as you feel contact with the stand, you're going to jump up, down, explode, jumping as high as you can, aiming for a minimum of 6 inches. Okay, then a short rest. So we're doing each of those a couple of times to make up the 4 minutes of the Tabata. And the final Tabata is the first exercise. It's going to be a wall sit, like so. You're going to take your stand, you're going to lower it between your legs and raise it up. Not quite overhead, but almost. So you're sort of 10 degrees off overhead. Okay, you're working on that, engaging your core for the wall sit and your quads. So first exercise, and then the next one on that final Tabata is going to be a single leg RDL, Romanian Dead Lift. Okay, so slight bend in the knee. You're going to balance like this on one foot, and then you're going to bring up the track stand or stool on either side. Okay, this is going to work your shoulders and also really challenge your knee. On those last 2 ones, we're not looking for sort of maximum speed as such. Just concentrate on keeping a really good form. Okay, so we're going to go in 10 seconds. Start the Tabata timer, which has got a 10-second countdown, fortunately.
Get ready.
Get ready, let's turn this up.
3, 2, 1, work.
So single leg step ups. Find a pace that you can maintain for 20 seconds, nice and fast. Not fully burning out yet.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
10 seconds rest.
3, 2,
Other leg.
1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
10 seconds. Heart rate should be rising steadily already.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Three, 2, 1. Work.
Okay, you could, if you don't have a stool or a track stand, use a 5-6 kilo dumbbell or kettlebell and just use the first and second steps in
3,
the house or
2,
outside,
1. Rest.
or a bench, park bench, something like that.
3,
Halfway through the first
2, 1. Work.
What's great about Tabatas is they're very high intensity, helps with recovery. Also, if you're on a tight schedule, you can get a lot of bang for your buck
3,
in a
2,
short amount of time.
1. Rest.
I'm feeling that in my quads already.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Keep a good form. Try and maintain the pace that you started with.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Last 2.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Keep working.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Three, 2,
Last round.
1.
Tabata.
Work.
Single leg stuff like this is really good because you have to recruit all those muscles that stabilise your knee and your
3,
joints.
2, 1. Completed TABATA timer.
Right, hit pause for 45 seconds now. Okay, pause now.
Get ready.
That was really awkward, isn't it? Right, 6 seconds. Going for
3,
split squats.
2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
We're gonna go for the right leg next.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
There we go to incline push-ups next.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Didn't press start on my watch. It's annoying.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Next, you've got explosive squat. Remember,
3,
touches,
2,
you launch
1.
yourself
Work.
up, explode.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Okay, back to the start of that, split squats.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2,
Push all the way
1.
to the end.
Rest.
Don't cheat yourself. I wanted to. Should be getting hard.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Had to incline push-ups.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Keep breathing.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Explosive squats. That's the last rep.
3, 2, 1. Work.
The last round.
Three, 2,
All the way.
1. Completed TABATA timer.
Right. Hit pause, give yourself a minute.
Get ready.
And 10 seconds. Gonna go for the wall sit with the raise.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Oh, serves me right for going too high.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Next, we've got the lat raises, the RDL.
3,
Come into that
2, 1.
RDL position.
Work.
And raise. This one is all about maintaining that control. You might feel a bit of fatigue in your leg, but you also might feel it in your
3,
foot,
2,
where your foot's fighting
1.
for balance.
Rest.
Okay, all good stuff. So we need that on the bike. Back to the wall sit.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
We're going to go to the other leg for the RDL with the lat raise.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Again, just maintaining that control and balance. If you have to put your foot down, it's fine. Just carry on. Cut it there.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
It's halfway.
3, 2,
Same
1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Right, I owe you a second. So that last RDL.
3, 2,
So I'm gonna start.
1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Now it's coming. Last 2 rounds.
3, 2, 1.
This
Work.
is the last wall set. Make it count.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Last exercise then.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Last 20 seconds. I'm feeling that in my lower back and in my feet. Hey, targeting all those muscles that we use on the bike. Keep working.
3, 2, 1. Completed TABATA timer.
Cool. First track stand session done. Good effort.
Get re-
And I'll catch you on the next one.